guys, today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. When you click here on my Learning, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on your name. When you click here on your name, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you click here on account settings. When you click here on account settings, it's going to take you to this list. Just switch into open video. So then all you have to do, just click here on account preferences. So when you click on it, you come to this list here, you go down, you keep going down, and you click here on upgrade for free. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to next step here. Then here can you select if you want to try for 1 month free, or here 1 month free here, so or here try for so here can you select all this here. Then you just click on try here, then you click here on start my free month here. So then it's going to show for you a list to add your card information. So here, then add here your email, and you click here on sign in. Then it's going to take you to add your card information to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.